This video is to show the news exploration dashboard from MIDAS. So to get this dashboard, you click an external menu and then click news. When we get to news, we are able to see this news monitoring, this general news monitoring, and then we can click on a topic of interest. For example, diabetes mellitus. This etiquette here says that we're actually dealing with a Wikipedia class, which permits us to go and make our news search over many languages. We and restrict to one of those languages. We can also add categories. For example, I can go in here and add a category on health, and then get my search done. So articles that are annotated as health articles that relate to diabetes mellitus. I can also include the sources or locations of my news source. Right now, I have a list of articles in many languages that relates to a real-time news source that is providing more than 100,000 articles per day. And when I click on each of the articles, I can go directly to the article itself. Then I can also look, when clicking in this menu here, I can see several useful data visualization modules for news, and I can have a look at the topics, the top concepts that relate to the global news that I was looking at. And for example, if there are aspects of it that I'm not maybe so interested about, I can just click and remove it. Now, of course, I can also look at right now we have mostly English language article. I can also have a look in general at the cloud of topics that relate in these articles, and the timeline of these articles. Right now, we're looking at articles in the last month, but I can also have a look at articles in the last year. Take a little time to get the timeline, and then I'm able to, for example, see here this peak, zoom in, try to understand what happened in 14th of November, and show the articles in the 14th of November. I can also see some aspects of coverage and so on. Then, for example, I can also look into the sentiment of the overall news that we're seeing, which I think is quite relevant when we are exploring the news and what are their impact on the audiences, and of course, and see some sentiment over time. Then look into the concepts that are that are extracted from the news and related to the topics of search, the trends that regard this news, and also very important, very useful, the classes to which the news belong to. For example, we can see that the search diabetes, of course, relates much to health and health conditions, but it also relates to business and pharmaceuticals, for example, and on contract research organizations, to which 1.36% was related with this. Thanks very much for watching. Please have a look at our other videos. Thank you.